Quick poll. Would you rather prefer, for the majority of the year, to have sunny or rainy weather? Sunny or rainy? I am 100% rainy weather guy. I love the way the air smells after it rains. So I'm wondering if anybody feels the same way. Wow. I guess I'm speaking to the target audience, because we're probably mostly indoors people. I live in the UK, I guess you, yeah. I live in Washington State, so it rains a lot. I'm honestly surprised it is that big of a difference. I thought there'd be a lot more people that love the sun. Very cool to know. Thank you everybody for your input. It looks like 70% of people would rather have rainy weather for most of the year. I'm honestly surprised by that. Thanks for your input.